When we think of the human body, we think of us. What many people don't know is that one very important part of us isn't us at all. It's the bacteria that use our bodies as a home.
Guts alone serve as hosts for over 1,000 species of microbacteria. Over 100 trillion bacteria line your intestines alone, while there are only about 70 trillion human cells. Our bodies contain a diverse ecosystem of these bacteria called a microbiome. The importance of these ecosystems is just beginning to be understood.
It all starts before we are born. In the womb, a fetus is completely sterile, but the moment a baby is born, their bacterial colony begins to grow.
Think about this. The baby first gets some bacteria from its mother. The baby is then handed off to the nurse, who gives it some bacteria. When the baby is brought home, it is introduced to all the bacteria there.
Throughout the beginning of its life, the baby touches the household pet, is kissed by its mother, eats little dirt, and so on. Soon the child is exposed to a vast array of bacteria that play a vital part in bodily functions. Breast milk even aids with growing a bacteria colony by providing the baby with oligosaccharides, which serve not only as food for the baby, but for the intestinal microflora inside it.
Later in life, we get more of this bacteria in the form of probiotics, food with healthy live cultures such as yogurt or as supplements. These types of bacteria are good and have been known to treat gastroenteritis and other digestive issues.
On the other hand, taking antibiotics while killing bad bacteria can also kill good bacteria and can onset these issues. Often sick people suffer from deficiencies in their internal flora.
One example of this would be people suffering from Clostridial difficile infection. Clostridium is rare, but still a normal bacteria that we host, but sometimes its population can grow too large. This can occur when the normal colonies of bacteria in our intestines has been interrupted or wiped out by antibiotics, and Clostridium has more room to grow.
With CDI on the rise, a new treatment has arisen called fecal transplantation. This method consists of taking the stool of an individual with a healthy bacterial colony and giving it to the patient by enema or colonoscopy. Pretty gross, right?
In our societies where most babies are born in hospitals and there is an increased desire for sterility, many people face the lack of floral diversity in their own microbiomes. People in countries where not everything is antibacterial suffer from this problem much less.
An experiment done in mice showed that mice fed food with bacteria supplements showed increased levels of serotonin in stressful situations than ones that were not. Similar experiments have been done with humans with the same results. Exactly what role these bacteria play is yet to be discovered, but there is plenty of evidence to show that they control us in many ways.